Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Mailerlite as a beginner in 2023. Mailerlite is a platform that you can go on to create newsletter and also to create a beautiful landing page. All you'll have to do is tap on features in the top left hand corner and you will see the numerous options that Mailerlite offer. So whether you are going into email marketing or you want to create a newsletter or you want to create a blog or website, you can do that using Mailerlite. You can also create sign-up forms and you can also start selling digital products. So for instance, if you want to start selling an ebook or any form of digital downloads, you'll be able to do that with Mailerlite. And the beauty about it is they are partnered with Stripe. So as you may know, Stripe accepts payments from over 135 different currencies. So you can definitely start selling your digital product using Mailerlite. And the other thing that I love about Mailerlite is you can get started for completely free. As you can see right here with their different pricing plans, once you have under 1,000 subscribers, you can sign up to their free plan and you'll be able to send over 12,000 monthly emails, and they'll only allow one user on the free plan, but you'll still be able to get 24/7 email and chat support for the first 30 days. And you can also see some key features that are available on the free plan compared to the paid plan. So once you're able to build up the amount of subscribers that you have, you can upgrade to one of the paid plans. But for now, all you'll have to do is simply tap on sign up to get started. After you have tapped on sign up and you have gone through the basic sign up process that they have, you'll be redirected to the dashboard as you can see right here. And from here you can see the numerous options that you have on the left hand menu option. So for example, if you want to start a campaign, all you'll have to do is simply tap on campaigns and then you could tap on create new campaign. And by the way, if you want to build a form, you could simply tap on forms right here and you'll be able to create your first pop-up or embedded form. So you could simply tap on create, and after selecting create, you'll simply give the form a name. So I'll simply name it test right here. Then you can select pop-up and you'll scroll down and tap on save and continue. After you have selected save and continue, from here you'll see the option select subscriber group and you could simply enter in the group, then tap on create. Once you have created the group, you are going to tap on continue. And from here you'll be able to choose the template that you like to use. So for example, let me tap on preview and you can see how this countdown template looks. So you can select any one of these templates. So all you'll have to do is tap on select. And as I said earlier, majority of the Mailerlite features are quick drag and drops. So they are quite easy to use for even a complete beginner. And in case you want to create a site, you can simply tap on sites from the left hand menu option. And from here, you could select landing page if you want to create a beautiful landing page. Or if you want to create a website, you could simply tap on websites. And again, you have all of these features available for completely free. So let's say I want to create a landing page. I'll tap on landing pages from the top. Then I'll select create. After selecting create, I'll quickly type in the name. Then from here, I'll select landing page again. Then tap on save and continue. Once I've selected save and continue, I can tap on the group or you could enter a new group. Then you will be redirected to this page from which you'll be able to choose from a template, or if you would like to start from scratch, you could select start from scratch. But they offer numerous beautiful, easy to customize templates. So for this example, I'll tap on one of their templates. For example, this one right here, digital agency. So all you have to do once you see a template that you like, you'll simply tap on choose. then you'll be redirected to this dashboard on which you'll be able to customize the template. So let's give it a few seconds to upload. Once the template has been uploaded, as you can see right here, you can start customizing the template. And you can see you can edit any one of the blocks or section. All you have to do is simply hover over that section and tap on it. So if you would like to remove a section, you can simply tap on the trash can. Or if you would like to edit the section, you could tap on the pencil icon. And once you have selected the pencil icon, you will see the editing options on the right hand corner right here. You could include buttons or so on. And you can scroll down and you can add whatever you want. So I can go back, and in this section right here, you could remove the image by simply tapping on the pencil icon right there. And you could tap on edit image, so you could upload a new image if you want. And you can also add links to your images, or if you wanted to delete this entire section, all you had to do was hover over the section, then tap on the trash can. There are numerous options, and it's quite easy to customize this landing page once you are using Mailerlite. And once it is to your liking, you could tap on preview in the top right hand corner to preview the changes, and quickly give it a few seconds to update. As you can see right here, and by the way, you can see the URL, so you could copy the URL right there if you want. But let's go back. And I'll also show you the automation right here. You can select automation right here, and you could create your first automation. So all you'll have to do is tap on new automation, and you can see you can also tap on integrations in the bottom left hand corner, and then you can scroll down and you can see where you can add Mailerlite to WooCommerce, Zapier, Shopify, or BigCommerce. There are numerous options and numerous platforms that you can incorporate Mailerlite in. And that's basically it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.